Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth in your Mercedes Benz E Class. First, make sure your mobile device has Bluetooth turned on and is set to be discoverable. Next, navigate to your car's central display. You'll want to access the main menu for your Command or MBUX infotainment system. From there, simply select the phone or Bluetooth option to begin the pairing process. It's a straightforward start to staying connected. Once you're in the Bluetooth menu, look for an option like Connect Device or Add New Device. Your Mercedes will then search for nearby Bluetooth-enabled phones. When your phone appears on the car's display, select it. Both your phone and the car's screen will show a unique pairing code. Verify that these codes match, then confirm on both devices to complete the secure connection. This step ensures only your device is linked. With your phone successfully paired, you can now enjoy hands-free communication. To answer or end a call, simply use the convenient buttons located on your steering wheel. You can also access your phone's contact list directly through the vehicle's central display, making it easy to dial out. Remember to adjust the call volume using your car's standard audio controls for optimal clarity during conversations. It's designed for seamless integration. If you encounter any connection issues, a simple restart of both your phone and the car's infotainment system often resolves the problem. Sometimes, deleting old, unused Bluetooth pairings from your car's memory can also help, freeing up connection slots. For any specific questions or unique features related to your E-Class model, always refer to your owner's manual. It contains detailed instructions tailored to your vehicle, ensuring a smooth experience.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.